I've got 87 video ideas sitting in my Notes app right now. You know how many I'll actually make this month? Maybe 4. Not because the ideas are bad, but because every single one needs hours of editing, B-roll, voiceover, music, and I don't have the time. If that sounds painfully familiar, keep watching. Because I spent the last week testing a tool called Runway Agent. And for the first time, I'm actually clearing that list. I'm going to show you exactly how. Quick honesty moment, Runway sponsored this video, but they didn't write a word of it and they didn't see it before it went live. So let me show you what I actually found. Now look, if you've tried making videos with AI before, you already know the routine. And let's be honest, it kind of sucks. You type a prompt, you get one clip, cool. Now you need another clip and it doesn't match. Now you need a voiceover, that's a different tool. Music, different tools. Then you've got to stitch it all together yourself. 3 hours later, you've got something that looks okay. You wanted it easy. You got a part-time job. And here's the worst part. This is why your Notes app keeps growing while your posting schedule keeps shrinking. You've got ideas, but making videos takes so long you stop posting. Your TikTok slows down. Reels die. YouTube drifts, not because you lose creativity, but because production takes forever. I've literally cut videos from my channel because I didn't have time to shoot B-roll. Small business owners have it even worse. So when Runway reached out about Runway Agent, I was skeptical. I tested it for a full week. And this is the first AI video tool that actually solves the problem. But here's where most people will get it wrong. Runway Agent is not one of those type a prompt, get a video tools. If you go in expecting that, you'll miss the whole point. The actual magic is way better. Watch. Here's how I started. I opened Runway Agent and typed, I need a 30-second video for new running shoes, energetic, city vibe, and on the logo. That's the opening line. But the real magic is what happened next, because this isn't a one-prompt tool. It's a conversation. The agent doesn't make a video. It makes a plan. 6 scenes. Each one described in detail. The voiceover script, already written for me, music vibe, camera angles, all of it on screen before anything renders. And this is the part that made me sit up straight. I can change anything. I typed scene 3, make it a wide shot instead of a close-up. Boom, updated. Then, voiceover sounds too salesy, make it sound like a friend. Boom, done. It's like having a really talented creative collaborator on call. You tell them what you want. They show you the plan. You tweak it. Then together you go build it. That's the whole feel. So I shaped it, hit go, and what Runway Agent came back with made me say no way out loud, in my house, alone. Just watch. That's the whole video. Multiple shots. The character looks the same in every scene. And if you've used AI video before, you know that's the hardest part to get right. Voiceover's already mixed in, music's playing, the cuts have rhythm. This isn't a clip I take into Premiere. This is done, post-ready, Instagram, TikTok, anywhere. Now I'm gonna keep it real with you, because I always do. Runway Agent isn't magic. Sometimes the first plan isn't quite what you wanted. Sometimes you push back 2 or 3 times before it lands. And if you're making something super specific, like a story with characters talking back and forth, you're still going to direct it carefully. But for like 90% of what creators and small businesses actually make, product videos, ads, social posts, explainers, the thing that used to take you 4 hours is now one conversation. That's not small. That's the whole game changer. And the real reason I'm telling you all this isn't even what I just showed you. There's one more thing I noticed after a full week with Runway Agent. And honestly, it's the biggest deal. Nobody's talking about it yet. This is the part you came for. Remember those 87 ideas in my Notes app? Here's what actually changed. I used to only make videos for the big stuff, big reviews, sponsored ones. Anything worth 4 hours of my life. Everything else got skipped, ignored, or eventually deleted. Now, I'm making videos for everything. Quick news drop, video, random thought, video, replying to a comment, video. Because when the hard part disappears, you just make more. And more is what wins on YouTube. More is what wins on TikTok. More is what wins everywhere you post. The creators growing fastest right now aren't necessarily the most talented. They're the ones posting the most. So this isn't really about better AI video. It's about more video. For all the stuff you've been skipping. That's the unlock. That's why I made this video. Try Runway Agent. Links in the description. app.runwayml.com. Code AGENT50 gets you 50% off your first 3 months. It's in the caption. Hit subscribe right now, because next week I'm running Runway Agent and Sora 2 through the exact same brief. so you can see where each one actually shines. You're not going to want to miss that. See you then.